Just before 11 p.m., July 17, 2012, 79-year-old Kenneth McDaniel was found murdered, hit multiple times in the head by a blunt instrument. This is the man authorities say is responsible. Then 29-year-old Christopher Patton charged with murder. It happened at a home off Highway 43 between Charlie Shirley Road and Mittlary Road in Northport. When Tuscaloosa County Sheriff's deputies arrived on that scene, they saw a suspect flee the scene and a chase began. The suspect, Christopher Patton, was taken into custody about an hour later. We're glad you're with us tonight. I'm Lynn Brooks. Christopher Patton's fate is now in the hands of a judge and jury as they hear the murder case against the Northport man this week. WVUA's Jennifer Edwards has been following this case and joins us now from the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse with the very latest. Jennifer.
Lynn, Christopher Patton's trial began around 9 o'clock this morning with jury selection. The prosecution and defense teams questioned about 50 potential jurors. After lunch, the 12 jurors were sat. Opening statements began soon after. Chief Deputy District Attorney Jonathan Cross showed the jury the pole Patton allegedly murdered Mr. McDaniel with. He went into detail about the multiple trespassing problems the McDaniels had with Patton before the murder occurred. The last one being where the McDaniels had Patton's vehicle towed from their property. During the defense's opening statement, public defender Allison Taylor stressed that Patton was innocent, focusing on the fact Mrs. McDaniel and another relative did not recognize Patton's eye, which had been injured in a fireworks accident when he was younger. Tuscaloosa Metro Homicide Sergeant Dale Phillips says he's glad to see such a horrific murder go to trial.
It was witnessed by family members. It was witnessed by a lady that saw her husband murdered in front of her eyes that she had spent most of her life with. You like to think that you're safe at home and you can go out in your yard no matter what time, day or night, and be safe. And in this particular case, Mr. McDaniel was not.
Now, following the opening statements, the prosecution began presenting their case, where the jury heard from a Tuscaloosa County Sheriff's deputy who located Patton in the area after the murder, and also a Tuscaloosa Metro Homicide investigator who's working the case. All of today's witnesses were cross-examined by the defense. The trial will pick back up tomorrow morning. Live in downtown Tuscaloosa, Jennifer Edwards, WVUA News.